Now then folks, back at Lake District, and this time we're doing the Coledale round. Well, we're doing my version of it, so however far we get is how far we get. But I've got to the first minor summit. I'm just having a look round. That's Barra, that's outer side, Causey Pike over there, which I'm hoping to get to. I'm hoping to actually camp on Sale, but first heading up here to Coledale Pike and then beyond. I'm going to try and take in Grassmore as well, but I'll see how I feel. It's nearly a mile to Ayfront parking, so I'm looking to do about 6-7 miles and see where I get to. But first objective really is getting up that thing. So given that I've been sweating my bag out on way up here, I expect more of the same up there, so I'll bring it back up there. Now we're just about half a mile from the summit of Coledale Pike. The mist is in and out, so sometimes you get a decent view and sometimes you don't. It's been a tough old yomp up here. I've only done about, I think, not even 2 miles. Not long to go now, nearly there. That's the surface block on Coledale Pike, and this is the view. Causey Pike over there, Eel Crag, Sale, and that's where we're bound next. Over there. That's kind of where we came from. Now we finally made it to the summit of Hopegill Head. That's Coledale Pike, that's where we've come. I don't know if you can see Crummock Water in the distance there. It's been, it's warm, but there's no sun out, which is strange. And there's a load of flies up here, so I'm not going to be hanging about. So I'll bring you back on next one. Whew. Whiteside. The last way in right on this section, and then we've got to go basically back where we come, up there, and start making his way over in that general direction. Nice view though. I think I'll have a little bite to eat here before heading back. Right, just had a bite to eat. That's where we're bound next. Fill up with water, and then we're off up there, Grassmore. Looking a bit grim now. Not to worry. Just at the top of Sand Hill. So we walked all the way from round there back to where we were, Hopegill Head, top of here, Sand Hill, and that's Grassmore now. Just had a bit of a shower, so I've donned the old waterproofs and took it really slow. As you know, in these things you get very warm very quick. Right, let's get down here and get some water. I could drink a gallon of it, and I may just do that. I don't think there'll be any trouble filling up here, do you? Plenty to go at. Can you believe while I've been filling up, we've had sunshine. The old currant bun came out and made an appearance, which were nice. So we've had a bit of everything today, a bit of rain. Just give you a quick look at where we've been. Whiteside over there. Come across there. Done that twice, been there and back. That's Coledale Pike up there. We walked all the way along there and then back, and we come down here, Sand Hill. Filled up here, Now we're heading up that direction for Grassmoor. So we'll see how that pans out. Finally, after a bit of graft, we're here. Grassmoor. Well, it's not misty though, although it's starting to come in by the look of it, because that's where I were bound next, that you probably can't make out. It's a shame, like. Nice views earlier if I'd have kicked on a bit, but I was going at my pace. You might just be able to make out Grisdale Pike. That's where we were overlooking earlier. So I'll have a little minute here, drink of water and that, and then decide whether I'm going to pitch on here or head for sail. So I've done way more miles than what I was expecting, 8.43, and I've been at it since 9:30 and it's 6 o'clock, more or less. It's been proper Lakeland miles as well. So I'll have a little breather here. I've had plenty of them all day, but another one won't hurt. Right, and then we'll decide what we're doing. As nice as it is up here, besides I'm off to sail. Let's get going. That's the sun making an all too brief appearance, lighting up the place a little bit. Finally, we're at the summit of sail. Somebody already pitched up there on one dope. That's where we've come down. Sun's coming out by the look of it. So we're going to get a pitch here somewhere and admire the view for a bit. Which now it's cleared up a little bit. It's quite stunning. I think you can see what's going on. Midges, bro, and view. Well, from glorious views to mistiness. Came right across. Couldn't even see edge of hill, to be honest. Then it just disappeared. I'm going to get my last cup of tea on because it's gone 10 o'clock. And to be honest, I've had a big day. I'm a bit tired. So I'll have my last cup of tea and then settle down for night and get myself rocked off into bed. So we'll leave it there and see what morning brings. Hopefully not this. Morning, folks. It's just gone 5 o'clock, although I've been up for a while, to be honest. I can't see the being a good sunrise. Should have stayed in bed, I reckon, but at least I can see pretty much decent view. You can see where we were yesterday. Just spin you around, which is over there. Walked sort of way along there and back. That's what we came down yesterday to get here. So we'll get this drink, get another, get packed up and then get gone. Right, that's where we were. Leave no trace. You don't even know I'd been here. That's the direction we're heading for. That's Causey Pike. But we're going to Scar Crag first. Or Scar Crags, can't remember which one. I'll bring you back then. Fell runner. Expected to see more of them. It's just gone 6:30, so it's time to crack on. Let's get going. We've now got a bit of traditional Lakeland weather, otherwise known as rain. So we're waterproofed up, ready to crack on. I'm going to be proper sweating with this lot on, I bet. But we'll see, we'll see. I've took a layer off anyway, just to compensate. That's where we've come down. That's where we're going up. Can't really see it so well, but that's the route. Right, here we are, the summit of Scar Crags. So we've Causey Pike to do over there, and then down here to Outerside and Barrow, and then back to the car. There, that's Causey Pike. I think rain's easing off a bit, but I'm not taking them off yet, because you never know up here. And the summit of Causey Pike. Nice view. That's Outerside there. That's where we're heading for next. Just come down this path from Causey Pike. I'm going to go up that little path there and up to the top. Right, we finally made it. The summit of Outerside. Looks to be 3 potential hits for the top, so I'll touch each one. And then we're going to do Barrow. After this one. There's the back to the car. Shame about the views. You can't really see the big stuff that I did yesterday. You want to see what we've done today. Right, here we are, the top of Barrow. Shame about the view. But it's rained on and off since setting off really. So it's to be expected. It was forecast at some point. But that's my version of the Coledale Horseshoe. Bigger than the traditional one like, but nevertheless. It got the Wainwrights in that I wanted. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.